In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete your Flo app account. This is a straightforward process, but it's essential to follow each step carefully to ensure that your account is successfully removed. Let's dive right in. First, launch the Flo app on your mobile device. You will see the app icon on your home screen or in your app drawer. Tapping it opens the app, bringing you to the main dashboard. This is where you manage all your health tracking and personal data. It is crucial to ensure that you are logged into the correct account before proceeding. A simple mistake here can lead to confusion later, so double-check that you're in the right place. Once you have the app open, you're ready for the next step. Next, tap your avatar or profile icon, which is located in the upper left corner of the screen. This icon typically represents your account and brings up a menu with various options. By tapping on this, you access settings and preferences that allow you to manage your account effectively. This little step is important because it provides the gateway to your account settings. You want to ensure you navigate to the right section to make the necessary changes. After tapping the icon, the menu should unfold, revealing several options for you to choose from. Now scroll down the menu list and select Privacy Settings. This option is crucial for managing your account's confidentiality and control over your data. Privacy settings allow you to understand how your information is handled and what actions you can take regarding your account. Once you select this, you will find various settings related to your data privacy. It's a good idea to familiarize yourself with these settings as they provide insights into how the app protects your information. After selecting privacy settings, you are one step closer to deleting your account. From there, tap Delete Account or Delete My Account. This action signifies your intention to remove your account from the Flo app. Once you tap this option, it signals that you are serious about the decision. The app may prompt you with additional information or steps to confirm this action. This step is significant because it directly leads to the deletion process. It's crucial to be ready for the next confirmation steps to ensure everything goes smoothly. After tapping this option, you will be guided through the final stages. Now, carefully read the on-screen warning and confirm your decision to proceed. This warning typically explains the consequences of deleting your account, such as the loss of personal data and tracking history. It is essential to take a moment to absorb this information. Deleting your account is irreversible, and understanding what you are agreeing to is vital. This step emphasizes the importance of making informed decisions. After reading the warning, you will likely be asked to confirm your choice, ensuring that you genuinely want to proceed. Once that is done, you have successfully initiated the account deletion process. You may see a confirmation message on screen reassuring you that your request has been received. This final confirmation is crucial as it confirms your decision has been processed. It may take a little time for the account to be fully removed from the system, so don't worry if you don't see immediate changes. Thank you for following along, and I hope this guide has made the process clear and easy for you.